Make your own lava lamp, an easy project and experiment. First, you will need a container or jar. This little container is only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Add water, then vegetable oil to your jar. The oil will float on the top because it's not as dense as water. In a separate container, add vinegar, then drops of food color, then mix. Add the vinegar and food color to the water and oil. Next, add some baking soda. The baking soda and vinegar will create a fizz and bubbles. To create an extra light for your lava lamp, Amazon has some mini submersible LED lights that are waterproof.